Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to English Heaven. Today I'm gonna tell you the correct pronunciation of some important words. So let's begin. First one is revision. Revision. Many people say this revision, but it will be revision. Revision. Second one is television. Television. Many people say this television, but it will be television. Television. And the next one is confusion. Confusion. Many people say this confusion, but it will be confusion. Confusion. And the next one, decision. Decision. Many people say this decision, but it will be decision. Decision. The next one is division. Division. Many people say this division, but it will be division. Division. In the next one, conclusion. Conclusion. Many people say this conclusion, but it will be conclusion. Conclusion. The next one is diversion. Diversion. Many people say this diversion, but it will be diversion. Diversion. Okay, no more today. Thank you. Bye-bye.